Hi, I'm Greg.
I'm Noodles.
Dexter.
And Ron. And Arn.
Slow down.
Hi, I'm Greg.
I'm Noodles.
Dexter.
And Ron.
From the Offspring, and you're watching Bubble Gods.
Masturbating. Probably masturbating in my
Bubble Gods.
hotel room.
Okay, cool. You guys got some bad hair.
Hi guys, I'm Noodles. I'm from the Offspring, and I'm a birder. I'm from the Offspring.
Masturbating
When I first started getting into bird watching,
masturbating in my hotel room.
I was checking out the surf one morning, and I went, what are those birds out there? There's a whole bunch of birds out there. There's a whole bunch of birds. Birds out in the water. Water. And I went, I think those are grebes. I went home, looked it up, and they were grebes. And later I started to notice other birds mixed in with the grebes. I started looking up those, and those were surf scoters. And from there it took off. Then it was mountain birds.
Fucking yellow,
Masturbating
blue, fucking booby. Fuck. God, no one cares.
masturbating
Are you, when you're playing, digging up?
The great blue heron has a really weird call. It's kind of like a...
Are you seeing any birds?
The red-tailed hawk, which is more... I thought that was the Offspring, but it's just a helicopter. They don't know their curlew from their godwit. They definitely don't know their stilts.
masturbating. Probably
People don't know their boobies from their tits. Got your sooty water. Screech owl. Downy woodpecker. Great blue.
masturbating.
He comes in the fucking bellied speckledness, and everybody scatters. Nobody wants scatters. No, we're up to here with these fucking scatters. No birds. I know more about fucking birds than I know about my own fucking bellied speckled kids.
Joe, what are you doing here?
Hello, Noodles. This is my Noodles.
Hello, Noodles. No, this is my...
Masturbating.
For what? What are you doing?
I'm watching...
Masturbating.
That's not how you do it.
Masturbating.
Way.
I'm not gonna take bird lessons from a bass player.
Probably
I'm from the Offspring, and I'm a birder.
Okay.